Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome comparison video about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus the Apple iPhone Air. Which one should you buy? That's the question. Hey, I think though. Samsung versus Apple, Android versus iOS. Today we're comparing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with the Apple's incredible thin iPhone Air. Which one should the best camera on the market? Which lasts longer on a single charge? And which flagship is the better buy in 2026? Let's find it out. We are going first in with the design and the build quality. The first thing you will notice is that the smartphone follows two completely different design philosophies. The iPhone Air focuses on being incredibly thin and lightweight. At around 5.6 millimeter thick, it's one of Apple's slimmest smartphones ever, making it extremely comfortable to hold and carry. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, on the other side, is designed for power users. Yeah, it features a larger body, a more spectacular camera system, and Samsung's built-in S Pen. With the Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can also get a larger display, a larger battery, premium materials, integrated S Pen support, a professional-looking camera design. If you want the lighter premium phone possible, you should choose the iPhone Air. If you prefer functionality and productivity over the ultra-thin design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is there clear the winner. But what's about the display? Both smartphones feature beautiful OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED display in high resolution, a larger reviewing area, and excellent brightness are perfect for gaming and multitasking and media consumption. The iPhone Air features a 6.5 OLED display, outstanding color accuracy, excellent brightness, and easier one-handed usability. That means watch movies, editing photos, or gaming feels more immersive on the Samsung's larger display, while Apple's panel remains one of the best for everyday use. Whoa, let's go to performance. When it's come to the performance, both devices are flagship powerhouses, of course. We have here the Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5, Android 16, and Open One UI. This is nice. The iPhone Air features an Apple A19 Pro chip and the iOS 26. For everyday tasks, both smartphones are incredibly fast. Apps launch instantly. Gaming is smooth. Video editing is effortless. However, Samsung offers more flexibility for multitasking thanks to the features like split screen, floating windows, and Samsung DeX. Yeah. Let's go to camera. Now, the biggest difference there is Samsung comes with a 200 megapixel main camera. Whoa. Ultra wide camera. Whoa. 3 times telephoto lens. Whoa. 5 times periscope zoom camera. Whoa. Up to 8K video recording. Whoa. The Apple iPhone Air comes with 48 megapixel main camera. Simplified camera system, compatibility in photography, and excellent video stabilization. For quick point and shot photography, both smartphones provide beautiful images. However, the Samsung offers a significantly more versatility. You can capture ultra-wide landscapes, macro shots, high-quality portraits, long-distance zoom photos, better time photography. If the photography is one of your priorities, the Galaxy S26 gives you many more creative options as well. Let's go to battery and charging. Yeah, battery power. We have on one side the Galaxy S26 Ultra. 5,000 mAh battery, fast wire charging, fast wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. Then the iPhone Air. Smaller battery due to its ultra-thin design. MagSafe charging. QI2 wireless charging. If you are a heavy user who spend all day taking photos, gaming, or watching videos, Samsung's larger battery is likely to provide a long endurance as well. Apple focuses more on portability than the maximum battery life. Then, of course, what's about the software experience? These are two different systems. Samsung comes with one UI. With an advantage included there is advanced multitasking, Samsung DX, desktop mode, S-Pen productivity, extensive customization, powerful file management, AI-powered editing tools. The Apple iOS advantage included, of course, there is extremely polished interface, outstanding ecosystem integration, seamless connectivity with Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, and the AirPods. Long-term software updates support on top. If you already own several Apple devices, of course, the iPhone Air fits perfectly to your ecosystem. If you prefer flexibility and customization, Android has a clear advantage there. And of course, we go now to the AI features. Everyone today knows AI, huh? Artificial intelligence is becoming one of the biggest selling points of modern smartphones. Samsung includes a wide range of Galaxy AI features, such as live translation, AI writing assistant, AI photo editing, circle to search, productivity tools, intelligent image generation and editing. Apple brings AI-powered features to iOS 2, focusing on writing assistance, image editing, and smarter system integration while maintaining a deep integration across the Apple ecosystem. Both performance continue to evolve rapidly. This offering useful AI tools for everyday tasks. And of course, the price is one high. The Galaxy S26 Ultra launched at a higher price than the iPhone Air. That's a miracle. However, you're getting a much larger camera system, a multiple zoom lenses, a significantly bigger battery, a built-in S-Pen, more productivity features, and a larger display. The iPhone Air, meanwhile, targets user who value portability, elegance, and an Apple's ecosystem as well. So what's now? What smartphone should you buy? Buy the Samsung. Let's start with Samsung. If you want the most versatile camera system, the outstanding zoom photography, a long battery life, a built-in S-Pen, a large display, and advanced multitasking, and a maximum Android customization. But if you are looking for an Apple iPhone Air, you can get there an incredible thin and lightweight smartphone, the Apple's ecosystem in iOS, a clean minimalistic design, and excellent everyday performance. What we should take? That's up to you. Both smartphones are outstanding flagships, devices on the market. The iPhone Air impresses with incredible slim design, lightweight build, and a seamless Apple ecosystem. The Galaxy S26, on the other side, focuses on delivering the ultimate flagship experience with superior camera, longer battery life, S-Pen functionality, and powerful productivity features. If you're looking for the most capable all around the smartphone, the Galaxy, of course, the better choice. If your priority are portability, simplicity, and Apple's ecosystem, the iPhone Air is the next exceptional option. Now, I do love to hear from you. Which phone would you choose? The Samsung Galaxy or the Apple iPhone Air? Let me know this in the comments. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Please subscribe. Tschüss.